third graders, if you are viewing this video, you should have finished this quiz. So if you have not done that yet, on your own, pause the video, finish this quiz, both sides, front and back, and then you will be able to unpause and we will check over your answers together. Number 1 said, what is the name of the satellite that orbits the Earth? And you had 3 choices. You were to circle the one best answer, and so you should have moon. Moon is the satellite that orbits the Earth. Number 2, we see a different part of the lighted side of the moon each night because the moon orbits the Earth. Number 3, which of the following objects can be seen in the night sky? Mark all the correct answers. When you see that direction, that means there can be more than one correct answer. So you should have picked stars, a crescent moon, Venus, Saturn, okay? And then number 4 said, why does the moon look like it shines? Because it is the reflection of the sun's light. Now we're going to look at the back side of your quiz. The directions were to label the moon phases below using the words in the box. Let's follow the arrows to the left or counterclockwise and we'll check over answers and you can see how you did. We start with the full moon, then go to waning gibbous, third quarter moon, waning crescent, new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, and waxing gibbous.